You, you are the reason my heart is beating.